We are humans, children of nature. But sometimes nature shows scenes that our eyes can hardly believe. Imagine thousands of dolphins swimming together in the sea. Or a moment later, a mountain crumbles and the road collapses beneath. Or from beneath the ground, a sudden explosion sends a pillar of fire into the sky. Today we will witness such moments that, even when captured on camera, make the mind say, "No, this cannot be real." But believe it, all of these are real, the witness to the unstoppable power of nature. Deep in the ocean, thousands of dolphins move together, like music, like rhythm. Their leaps, spins, and bodies shimmering in the sunlight, it is nature's unparalleled dance. Such scenes are not only beautiful, they are proof, nature itself is the ultimate creator. But sometimes, this beauty transforms. Under the intense rays of the sun and warm winds, massive blocks of ice slowly melt, cascading down the mountainside into the silent valley. Large chunks of ice break off, throwing stones and dust along. Where people had walked just hours before, now lies chaos, flooding, and roaring torrents. On a mountain road, a car moves along, beside green grassy slopes. Suddenly the mountain rumbles, and in an instant rocks, trees, and dust come crashing down like a storm. The roads are blocked, and the fight for life begins every second. These moments teach us, nature never warns, it only demonstrates. Torrential rains, surging rivers, raging waves, resulting in floods and tsunamis. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was one of the most terrifying chapters in human history. Hundreds of thousands disappeared in moments, and entire cities were swallowed by the earth. The ocean seemed to scream, "You forgot, but I am still awake." In the midst of a calm day, the unexpected occurs. A large green tree branch touches a live electric wire, and in an instant the leaves ignite, and slowly the entire tree catches fire. Among the greenery, flames of red and orange dance wildly, smoke thickens and rises to the sky, and a terrifying glow spreads around. It may seem, nature is our enemy. But no. Within each destruction lies a message, nature only seeks balance. When we cross the limits, it reminds us, this earth is hers, we are only guests. Every lightning strike, every wave, every flame teaches us. If humanity does not respect nature, one day nature will make us part of history. For nature's anger is silent. But when it speaks, the earth trembles. Subscribe to our channel, and together let's discover the extraordinary mysteries of nature. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, because every click from you inspires us to create even greater stories.